In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in your GoDaddy account, and we'll get it done in under 5 minutes. So let's get started on this simple journey toward updating your profile information. First, you'll want to head over to Google and search for GoDaddy. It'll be the first result you see, so go ahead and click on that link to reach the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to sign in using one of the options available, whether it's your GoDaddy email, Facebook, or Google account. Choose the option that you most commonly use to access your account. Now, let's enter your login details. If you selected the email option, you'll need to type in your email address and password associated with your account. Once you have entered your credentials, hit that Continue button to proceed. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see either your profile picture or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Click there, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This area is where all your personal and contact information is housed. After you've clicked into Account Settings, you'll find a section titled My Profile. Take a moment to scan through this, as it's where we need to focus. In the My Profile section, continue by scrolling down until you reach the Email section. You'll see a small arrow to the right of the current email address. Clicking this arrow will expand the section, and you'll be presented with an interface where you can see your existing email address. Now that you have this information in front of you, it's time to update it. Here, you'll find a field to input your new email address. But before we proceed, remember that to finalize the change, GoDaddy needs to verify your identity. Click on the option to send a verification code. This will send a code to your current email address. Follow the prompts to enter the received code and confirm the update. It's a straightforward process designed to ensure that your account stays secure while making these changes. And there you have it. Your email address has been successfully updated. Always double-check to ensure that the changes are saved correctly. If you run into any issues, GoDaddy support is fairly responsive, and they can help you troubleshoot further. That's all for updating your email in your GoDaddy account. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.